guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys all my puppets. I'm so excited, so let's get started. So the first one is this one. It has all numbers. Oh wait, no, it's alphabets, and it's really cute. And then I have animals and stuff in the back. And then I have some squishies. I have 3 poop squishies. I'm trying to get them on my arm. Then I have a sloth.
No way. No
Poop
way.
unicorn. And then
No.
fox. And they're so squishy at the same time. Then I have this puppet bracelet. They're $1 and there is pop tubes that I made that for $1 also. So make sure to go get some at that, okay? So I'm trying to fix this so it can be more easier for you guys to see better. That should be good enough.
Sunglasses, the tree, and a book. You guys remember I used those spy
Okay, so then now I have this puppet tablet case.
treehouse.
I had an iPad, but yeah, but I had to get to my dad. That's not bad. It has a kickstand. Please help. Okay, got it. Here's the kickstand. You can do it. I might actually give you guys it if you can find my iPad. So you have to comment down below, and if this video gets 1,000 million likes, I'll see if I can give you guys this. And I need your guys' phone number so I can call you guys so you know you want it. So comment down below if you want it. And if also it gets 1,100 likes. So and then next I have this dog one. It's super cute. Look at it, guys, it's so cute. It's so fun to play with, I swear. I have another kind of animals, like I have like a lot of animals stuff. I like the dog one. It's probably my favorite one because I see it like Rebecca Malo and her old videos. If you guys like Rebecca Malo, comment down below. I like Rebecca Malo, comment down below. And then I have this big puppet. It got like dirty in the back. I don't know why, but it's actually pretty cool. I like the back. So that's kind of my favorite. Like, then I have this Among Us puppet. It's hard to pop, but I'm trying to pop. And those 3 keychains. Then I have and then I have a wacky track. And then I have this car puppet, which is like in the sun. Really? Let me show you. So I show you. Here it is. Guys, look at it. It's starting to change. Can you see it? Oh, so cool. Sorry guys, it might be a long time, but we still have more puppets to go. So now we have this cat puppet. So yeah. Then I have another owl. It's in the sun. You can see my big one.
Make sure to look your best on the first date. And then there's this. Didn't have something to do with our first date? That was a long time ago.
There's like
Lipstick though.
there's the fidget spinners I have. Some are broken. This one's not broken.
So what if this is a date of some sort?
Well, if it's a bumpy. And this one. And then
Do you guys think that this has something to do with the numbers here? Do you think that's the date? Wait, because it's 2019.
Then there is
2019.
this fidget spinner, the one I got in the market, but it broke.
2019.
So then I have this green poppet. It's like a race.
Maybe it has something to do with the event.
It's super fun. And I have a few more. Then I have this fidget spinner poppet. I have another one. I can't open it till Christmas. And yeah. Have this snapper. It doesn't work as much. It's not that loud when I play it. Then I have this octopus one. It doesn't pop good enough. But yeah. My stomach's getting hurt for some reason. Hold on. Then I have this blue poppet.
Like a supply drop?
Yeah, just like in Fortnite.
Then I have this heart poppet broken. I got it. I traded it from my friend Leilani. Then I got this green poppet. It's super cool. It's like my brother's. I just don't know. I still the second one. Oh. How much do you know it is? I can't find it. I can't find it. A few minutes, guys. 1 minute, please.
January 20th or 21st for the lunar eclipse.
I can't find the remote. But yeah. I'll show you some more stuff. I don't know where it's at right now, but I'm gonna try this slime. It's stuck. Let me try opening it. Okay, I opened it. And this slime's everywhere. So much. Let me close it. Then last two. That puppy with scarlet on it. And the last one is a swan. This is probably my favorite one. The cupcake is probably my favorite too. But yeah, ouch, my back hurts. I'm a stand-up. So I have this. I really just want to not touch my shirt. I have like a poppet party. I want to have a poppet party.
The money has been moved to the briefcase. Follow the 3-step sequence.
I really love this poppet.
We need to look for the briefcase, Matt. That's where
But that's all my poppets, and that is the end of the video. So if you like the video, make sure to click subscribe, turn on the notifications. And let me try again. Take 2. Turn on the bell. Click the subscribe button, and make sure to like this video if you like it. Then I'll make another one. Bye.